In this video, we're going to look at how we can take volume and change some of the dimensions or all of the dimensions to get a new volume. What you see right here is a packaging box that a company A and a company B use. So this is an original packing box. So let's look right now at the volume that this box can hold. How many cubes or smaller boxes of whatever it is they're packing that it can hold. So if we look at the length, which is going this way, we can see that it's 1, 2, 3 cubes. If we do the width, which is going this way, it's 2 cubes. And then the height is what's going up, which is only 1 cube. So we multiply together because that's what volume is, length times width times height. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So right now, this box holds 6 cubic units. So now the two companies that were originally using this packing box, they want to change their boxes up a little bit so that they can hold more, so it has more volume. So this is Company A. Company A wants to take the original and create a box that holds twice the cubes. So what that means is there's just going to be 2 times as many cubes as there was originally. So we said originally it was 6 cubic units, right? So when you do twice the number of original cubes, all you have to do is take that and multiply it by 2, and you have doubled the number of cubes. So now this packing box can hold 12 cubic units. So anytime it asks you to do twice as many cubes, all you have to do is find the original volume and double it. That's all you have to do. Now Company B wants to do something different. They want to make a box with double the dimensions. So their original dimensions were 3 by 2 by 1, which was 6 cubic units. And because they want to double the dimensions, we have to double every single one of these dimensions. We have to double the length, double the width, and double the height. So if we double 3, we get 6. If we double 2, we get 4. And if we double 1, we get 2. So these are the new dimensions. They are double the original. So 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. So it now will hold 48 cubic units. Now you're probably asking yourself, okay, 6 doubled is not 48. This is not asking for twice as many cubes. It wants all 3 dimensions doubled. So this is actually, since I doubled these, I made it 2 times bigger in the length, I made it 2 times bigger in the width, and I made it 2 times bigger in the height. So I'm actually making the entire box a total of 8 times larger. And I get that from this. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So when you double all the dimensions, you're actually making it 8 times bigger. So let's look at all 3 of those compared. So this was the original one that both companies used, and it had the dimensions of 3 times 2 times 1, which was just 6 cubic units. Company A just wanted to have 2 times as many, so all they had to do was take their original 6 cubic units and multiply it by 2. And that's where they got their 12 cubic units. But Company B wanted all the dimensions doubled. So they actually had to go in and double the 3 to make it 6, double the 2 and make it 4, double the 1 and make it 2, and they ended up with the 48 cubic units. So when you are asked to just have twice as many, you just have to multiply by 2. But if it tells you to double the dimensions, you double all of them, which makes it 8 times bigger than it originally was. And you can see this. Here's the original. The original fitting in with Company A. See how another one would fit in? Because times 2. Here, we could actually fit in 8 more, have a total of 8 of these originals in the final box. And if we could fit these in, you'd be able to see that I could put 7 more in there to make a total of 8, because this is 8 times bigger.